Borussia Dortmund head coach Niko Kovac has praised Mamelodi Sundowns for their technical prowess and attacking intent after a pulsating 4-3 win at the FIFA Club World Cup, admitting South African champions pushed his side to the limit. Dortmund entered Saturday's Group F clash in Ohio as heavy favorites, but were made to work hard for the 3 points in what turned into a 7-goal spectacle. The result sets up a dramatic final round of group fixtures, with South Korea's Elson Hyundai already eliminated and Sundowns, Dortmund and Fluminense now in three-way battle for a place in the last 16. Speaking after the match, Kovac acknowledged that Sundowns' performance lived up to his pre-match warnings and said, "I wasn't lying in the press conference. Sundowns are a team that enjoy playing football. They are technically very well educated. You can see the influence of their Portuguese coach in their style of play." Despite the odds stacked against them, Sundowns were bold and inventive, with Teshreq, Matthews and Lucas Ribeiro Costa exposing Dortmund's high defense line, a system that Kovac insists he has no intention of changing, and said, "Of course we struggled with the high line. The position watches our game and they know where to target, but we are used to playing this way. It's part of our identity. That's why we have a super keeper. It will make no sense to change something that has brought us success." Kovac conceded that some tactical tweaks could be made to sharpen their defensive discipline and said, "We must defend the depth a bit better and improve our body positioning when facing our own goal. But these are small adjustments. Overall, we stick with what works." Looking ahead, Dortmund's boss warned that Sundowns' final group match against Brazilian giants Fluminense will be no walk in the park for either side, and said Fluminense are a strong team, but Sundowns can definitely challenge them. They showed today that they can compete at this level. It's going to be very tight game. With Elsen already out of contention, all eyes will now be on the final Group F fixtures, where Sundowns' fearless display has breathed a new life into the race for a knockout spot. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.